Renault has globally unveiled its final production spec version of the upcoming Kiger SUV for the Indian market. The new Renault Kiger will be the brand's sub-4-meter compact SUV offering in India and is said to come packed with a host of features and equipment while also offering a sporty design and a strong-performing turbocharged petrol engine. The new Renault Kiger carries forward most of the styling elements from its concept version unveiled late last year. Starting with the front, the Kiger comes with the sleek chrome-finished front grille which integrates with the LED daytime running lights (DRLs), which also double up as turn indicators. The Renault Kiger also comes with LED projector headlamps separately below the DRLs. The front bumper also houses a large central air dam with black cladding, which extends all around the SUV as well. The Renault Kiger also features a sculpted bonnet with strong muscular character lines, giving it an extremely aggressive and sporty look. Moving to the side, the new compact SUV from Renault features 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels housed in large wheel arches, again covered in the black cladding. The side profile also showcases the couple-like sloping roofline, which ends with an integrated spoiler at the back. The black roof and the C-pillar further add to the sportiness, while the roof rails add a rugged SUV appeal to the Kiger. The rear of the Renault Kiger is minimalistic yet stylish. The C-shaped LED taillights have been extended right to the edge of the SUV's bodywork, giving it a wide appearance. The boot lid is kept clean with just the Kiger badging at its center. Inside, the Renault Kiger is offered with a host of features, equipment and premium materials to give the SUV a more upmarket look and feel. The Kiger is offered with a multi-skin 7-inch instrument cluster offering various information to the driver. The center console on the Kiger is made of an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are also the climate control rotary knobs positioned below. Other features on the new Renault Kiger also include automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charging, multiple drive modes, best-in-segment cabin storage space of 29.1 liters, an Arcami 3D sound system, keyless ignition, ambient lighting, and PM 2.5 air filter and many others. Powering the Renault Kiger will be a 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine. This engine is set to churn out 100 brake horsepower and 160 Nm of peak torque and will come mated to either a 5-speed manual or 6-speed CVT and/or automatic transmission units. The Renault Kiger will be the latest product from the French brand to incorporate the CMFA Plus platform. This also underpins other models such as the Nissan Magnite and the Renault Triber as well. The Kiger is also said to offer 205 mm of ground clearance and have a boot space of 405 liters. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.